Avocado oil, rich in fatty acids, vitamins A and E, and carotenoids, support skin and hair health, aiding DNA repair and supple skin. Apple seed oil is a potent ingredient in face packs and facial products, known for its skin-renewing properties and ability to strengthen and enhance skin radiance. Anise oil, rich in antioxidants, neutralizes free radicals, protects skin from oxidative stress, promoting a more youthful and radiant complexion. The plant's gel can be applied to the skin after a sunburn for immediate relief due to its anti-inflammatory properties. Frostbite is a severe condition requiring immediate medical attention, and aloe vera gel has been historically utilized as a frostbite remedy. Barley, rich in zinc, effectively treats wounds and aids skin healing. Consume barley powder with water or apply as a paste. Castor oil, rich in fatty acids, can reduce and prevent the appearance of scars by stimulating the lymphatic system, a crucial component for scar prevention, although it cannot eliminate existing scars. A combination of aloe vera gel and olive oil can effectively serve as a mosquito repellent, effectively preventing mosquito bites. Amla extract, rich in antioxidants, combats free radical damage, tightens pores, protects against UV damage, pollutants and dirt, and effectively controls UVB radiation-induced photoaging. Amla juice, rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, has healing properties and can expedite tissue repair, thereby addressing dry and scaly skin issues. Cod oil's anti-inflammatory properties can help alleviate redness in inflammatory skin issues like eczema, sunburn, and sensitive skin. It repairs the epidermal cell barrier, increases skin strength, and reduces DNA damage. Coconut oil, rich in linoleic acid, can help reduce transepidermal water loss, a condition triggered by conditions like eczema, rosacea, or dermatitis. It repairs the skin's barrier, reducing moisture loss, making it a beneficial treatment for dry skin. Castor oil, with its anti-inflammatory properties, can alleviate sunburn pain and reduce peeling. Its moisturizing properties and cooling sensation, similar to aloe, help prevent blisters from infecting and reduce inflammation.